Hi, today I will be showing you how to create a QR code in Excel. So first you need to go to Microsoft Excel, and then here above you should look at the Get Ins option. Click this one. It will take you directly to the Office add-ins, and all you have to do is go to the search icon and then type QR for Office. Once done, press enter and you should see the QR for Office, and all you have to do here is to add this plugin. Tap this add button, wait for a couple of seconds, and then here you can read the following instruction, click continue. You should look at on the right side and here it is. Now feel free to customize the address. So you can choose here if you use HTTPS and other options below. So all you have to do is to click that one. Now you can add the name here, for example, Studio Factory. Okay. Once done, then you can now go to colors. So basically, you can change the color from black. All you have to do is to click this one and you can change that one. So for example, I want to change the color from black to gray, but everything is up to you. Also for the background, you can change that one from white to any color that you want. But for me, I think the best is just color white. Also, you can change the size of your QR code here. You just have to simply tap on this if you want to increase or if you want to decrease. And once you're satisfied with the result, all you have to do is tap on insert. And you should see the QR code here on your Excel and feel free to use it anywhere. That's how easy it is to create QR code in Excel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.